Welcome to Chennai 98 Volts 2, the ultimate destination for learning about creating a successful passive income stream. If you're looking to generate income while you sleep, you are in the right place. In this video, we'll explore different strategies to create a passive income stream that can provide financial freedom and security. So, buckle up and get ready to unlock the secrets of passive income. Hey there, I'm Prakash and I'm excited to have you here at Chennai 98 Volts 2. If you're ready to learn about creating a successful passive income stream, you're in for a treat. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, share this video with others who might benefit, and give it a thumbs up to show your support. Alright, let's get started. Passive income is money earned with little to no effort on the part of the recipient. It's a way to make money work for you instead of constantly trading time for money. In this video, we'll explore 5 effective strategies to create a successful passive income stream. Let's dive in. Passive income is money earned with little to no effort on your part. It's the opposite of trading your time for money, like in a traditional 9-to-5 job. Instead, you create systems and assets that generate income for you, even when you're not actively working. Sounds amazing, right? Absolutely. And the best part is that anyone can create a passive income stream, regardless of their background or experience. It's all about finding the right strategies and tools that work for you. So, let's explore some of the most effective ways to create a successful passive income stream. Real estate investing. Real estate has long been considered one of the most popular ways to generate passive income. You can invest in rental properties, where you earn income from tenants' rent, or you can invest in real estate crowdfunding platforms, where you can earn a share of the profits from large-scale property investments. Real estate investing can be a lucrative way to create passive income, but it does require some upfront capital and knowledge. However, with careful research and planning, it can provide a stable and reliable income stream over time. Dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are stocks of companies that regularly pay dividends to their shareholders. By investing in dividend stocks, you can earn a passive income through the dividends you receive, which are typically paid out quarterly. It's important to do your research and choose dividend stocks from reputable companies with a history of consistent dividend payments. Dividend stocks can be a great way to create passive income, especially if you're interested in the stock market. However, it's important to be mindful of the risks and volatility of the stock market, and to diversify your investments to minimize risk. Create and sell an online course. If you have expertise in a particular subject or skill, you can create and sell an online course. Once you've created the course, you can sell it on platforms like Udemy or Teachable, and earn passive income from the sales. Online courses have become increasingly popular, and with the right marketing and content, you can create a successful income stream by sharing your knowledge and skills with others. Creating and selling an online course can be a fantastic way to leverage your expertise and create a passive income stream. You can choose a topic you're passionate about, create valuable content, and reach a wide audience online. It's a scalable business model that can generate income for years to come. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending is a form of crowdfunding where individuals can lend money to borrowers in exchange for interest payments. Platforms like Lending Club and Prosper allow you to invest in loans and earn passive income from the interest payments made by borrowers. It's important to carefully assess the risk and diversify your investments across different loans to minimize potential losses. Peer-to-peer lending can be a unique way to create passive income by directly lending money to borrowers and earning interest on your investment. However, it's crucial to understand the risks involved and do your due diligence before investing in peer-to-peer lending platforms. Create and monetize a blog or website. If you enjoy writing or have a passion for a particular niche, you can create a blog or website and monetize it through various methods, such as display ads, sponsored content, or affiliate marketing. By consistently producing high-quality content and driving traffic to your blog or website, you can earn passive income from the advertisements or affiliate commissions. Creating and monetizing a blog or website can be a fulfilling way to share your interests or expertise and generate passive income. It does require consistent effort and dedication, but with the right strategies and content, it can become a profitable income stream over time. Now that we've explored some of the most effective ways to create a successful passive income stream, let's talk about some key tips to keep in mind as you embark on your passive income journey. Absolutely. Here are some important tips to consider as you start building your passive income stream. Research and educate yourself. It's crucial to thoroughly research and educate yourself on the different strategies and tools available for creating passive income. Understand the risks, costs, and potential returns of each method before investing your time or money. Diversify your income streams. Don't rely solely on one passive income method. Diversify your income streams by investing in different strategies or assets to minimize risk and maximize potential earnings. Consistency is key. Building a successful passive income stream takes time and effort. Be consistent in your efforts, whether it's creating content, investing, or marketing. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a successful passive income stream. Keep learning and adapting. Passive income strategies and tools can evolve over time. Stay updated with the latest trends, strategies, and technologies, and be willing to adapt and optimize your approach as needed. Have a long-term mindset. Creating a successful passive income stream is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires a long-term mindset, patience, and perseverance. Keep your goals in mind and stay committed to the process, even when faced with challenges. Creating a successful passive income stream requires careful planning, research, and consistent effort. By leveraging your skills, assets, and knowledge, you can explore various strategies like real estate investing, dividend stocks, rental properties, online courses, peer-to-peer lending, or monetizing a blog or website to generate passive income. Remember to diversify your income streams, stay informed, be consistent, and have a long-term mindset. With the right approach, you can create a sustainable and profitable passive income stream that can provide financial freedom and security. Wow, that was an eye-opening journey into the world of passive income. I hope you found these strategies valuable and are ready to take action. Remember to research, diversify, and stay consistent in your efforts. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share this video with others, and give it a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Thank you for joining us at Chennai 98 Volts 2 on this informative journey. We hope you're now equipped with the knowledge and inspiration to create a successful passive income stream. Stay tuned for more valuable content, and remember to follow us for the latest updates. Once again, I'm host Name from Chennai 98 Volts 2. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy passive income journey.